Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's go first of all to the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 29 minutes, most of the time spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. If you want to, you can check some further details. You can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the total screen time in particular days of a week. You will be able to compare them. Or you can tap on a specific app, so the settings, camera, etc. And again, you've got the dashboard, but this time tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.